Graders, we're going to go over lesson 11.6 today. Now, 11.5 was about solving addition equations. Okay? Solving equations with just the plus sign in them next to the variable. Today, we're going to talk about solving subtraction equations, meaning that we're going to have a negative number on the same side as the variable. How do we know this is a negative number? It says y minus 4.9. Isn't that just 4.9?
No.
Why do we know this is a negative 4.9? Max?
Because when you subtract, it's easier to insert a plus sign, and then you just do the number plus the negative number.
Right, right. When you insert a plus sign, because the negative sign makes this a negative number. And you can see that more clearly when you insert a plus sign. Okay? The negative sign in front of a number always tells you that that number is negative. Okay? So, it's really important that you add, insert a plus sign. Insert an addition sign into a subtraction equation so that you can identify this number as a negative number. That way you know you have to add a positive number to get rid of the negative number. You're just adding the positive number to get rid of the negative number, to get 0 on the same side with the variable. So, again, start on the same side as the variable. Repeat that.
Start on the same side as the variable.
Right. Add the opposite of the number to both sides. Repeat.
Add the opposite of the number to both sides.
Right. Why do we have to add it to both sides? Why can't we just add it to one side? Because it wouldn't, the equation wouldn't be equal, wouldn't stay balanced, and what else? Well, you might get the right solution, but you are not proving the solution unless you add the same number to both sides. Okay? The rules of math, or the rules of algebra, say that when you're solving an equation, you have to add the same thing to both sides. Okay? Now I know it would be easier just to add it to one side, but that doesn't solve the equation. Okay? You have to prove it by adding it to both sides. Just like a lawyer has to prove the verdict by following a pattern, by following a set of rules. Okay? The rules of math are you have to add or do the same thing to both sides of an equation in order to prove the solution. Now, this proves that y is 14 because there's nothing else left on the same side with y, just 0. So y plus 0 is 14, that proves y is 14. Okay? Now, one of the things you're going to have to do also for this lesson is to check. Check your solution. In order to check the solution, you have to insert the solution in place of the variable. 14 plus negative 4.9 is equal to 9.1. Is that true? If it is, write true next to it. Okay? Or you could write, well, T for true would be okay when you're checking this. F for false. Also, I want you to circle your solutions when you get them. Emily.
What about Asa?
Oh yeah. Yep. Let's go on.
What? Go on.
Go to, let's do some more examples. Did you get him? Asa, you can come in. X minus 9 equals 15. Yep, write down another example. X minus 9 equals 15. Draw a line. And what should we do next? Caleb? Yep, make it plus. Insert a plus sign. Then start to solve it. Where should we start? Or which side should we start on? Johnny? Side with the variable. Add the opposite. So x plus 0 equals 24. That proves x equals 24. And it's true. 24 minus 9 equals 15.
Does it?
Oops. T for true. Okay? Yes? In the original equation, it's not in there. But in order to solve it, it might help you to insert a plus sign into the check also. Okay? Now, you're going to be doing some practice with these for today. Okay? Let's do one more. This one's also on your assignment. It's number 2. C minus 11 equals negative 16.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
What should we do first? What should we do first? Max?
Draw a line.
Right. Find the two sides. Then, Reese? What should we put before the minus sign? Plus. Yep. Insert a plus sign. Then what? What should we add to both sides? Jordan? Plus 11. That gets rid of the negative 11. That means C plus 0 is what?
5.
Not 5. It's negative 5.
Negative 5.
Negative 16 plus 11. So we're going to have to add positive and negative. And when one is negative and the other is positive, you have to find the
Equal.
difference. The difference. The difference is negative 5, isn't it? So C is negative 5. Now, when we check it, negative 5 minus 11 is negative 16.
4 and all.
Negative plus negative is
Positive.
more negative.
More negative, that's what I meant.
Right?
Sorry.
True. And circle your solutions. Okay? So, we're going to practice solving subtraction equations.
Bye. Bye now.